This is the first time you can really see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Its specs were leaked earlier today, and now we can also see how it looks and how big it is. New CAD-based models show that Samsung isn't making any big changes this time, sticking close to the design language of the last generation. A story from Android Headlines and Onyx says that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is about 158.4 by 143.2 by 4.52 times 4.5 mm when it is opened up, and 158.4 by 72.8 by 9 mm when it is folded. The exact size of the device might be the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, since these numbers are still just guesses. The phone is likely to have a 6.5-inch display on the outside and a big 8-inch OLED panel that can be folded in half on the inside. It doesn't look like much has changed. The camera module looks almost the same, it still has 3 cameras and there are no signs of an update to the camera under the screen. But there may be a small but important change. Reports say that when the phone is opened, its thickness could go up a little to about 5.5 mm. This could have a very interesting reason. The slightly thicker shape might mean that S Pen support is coming back, even though it's not very clear in the renders. In order to make the previous model thinner, Samsung took away the ability to use the S Pen. This choice didn't go over well with many Galaxy Z Fold Wide fans. Now for the twist. The S Pen might finally work, which is something fans have been asking for years. Now, Anthony is the one who leaked this. And if this turns out to be true, Samsung might be working on a whole new type of folding device. Something bigger, stronger, and more focused on getting things done than ever before. Not just a fold or a flip. It is believed that the Galaxy Z Wide Fold will work with the S Pen, but the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 might not. Samsung might not be trying to squeeze the S Pen into a thinner Fold 8 form. Instead, the company may be separating the experience. On one side is a Fold 8 that is thinner and lighter. But there is also a stronger, thicker, wider fold that was made to be more productive. This makes a lot of sense, since it's not easy to add support for the S Pen. To make it thicker, you need more digitizer layers, more room inside, and changes to the structure. And it's clear that Samsung doesn't want to change the Fold 8's sleek look.